how much money is the NIH currently put into aging versus Alzheimer's or the other age-related diseases?
Well, if we're talking about how much is allocated for studying the underlying biological mechanisms of aging and their connection to all of those diseases, less than 1%. Aging Institute is still one of the smaller institutes, but aging is much bigger than any one institute. I think it's encouraging that just within the past few months, a cross-NIH geroscience interest group has been formed with 17 different institutes and centers. At this point, they're talking only, they're hearing speakers, they're beginning to talk about research plans. We need to see that propelled forward and funded.
So it seems like when less than 50% of the world or the population has a certain condition, we call it a disease. But when more than 50% have something, we call it normal. Should aging be considered a disease or defined differently? What are your thoughts?
Well, it's a question, Mark, that really goes to semantics more than science. But words count, language counts. If indeed we viewed aging as a disease, it would get a lot more attention and a lot more resources. In a sense, aging is a series of processes that transform healthy young adults into older adults that lose their capacity to keep up with the biological damage and become much more vulnerable. If that was a target, it would be far different than where it is today.
And really what you're talking about is not necessarily extended long age, but just healthier years for elderly people.
The critical years,
right.
60 to 80 to 90, we need to increase the health span
right.
more than the lifespan, increase the number of years in which we are vital and productive.
Right. And understanding aging makes sense to do that.
It's the key.
So thank you.
Thank you, Mark.
Appreciate it.